Helo na, mae'n amser I Matt yn neud ychydig bach o waith, dwi'n meddwl. Barod am wers, Matt?
Fi'n barod, Tuts. Fi'n barod.
Iawn.
Hit me with it.
Iawn te, ein gwestai nesa ydy Heather Jones, iawn?
Yes.
Merch o Gaerdydd ydy Heather. Naeth I ddysgu Cymraeg yng Nghaerdydd fel ail iaith as a second language.
No way. Oh, I didn't know that. Da iawn, Heather.
Cantores ydy hi, wrth gwrs.
Singing.
Yeah. Mae hi wedi bod yn canu ers y 60au. 1, 2, 3...
60s.
She sings on her own. She's a solo singer most of the time.
O, beth yw solo singing yn Cymraeg?
Wel, mae'n canu solo, ar ei ffenni hun. Ar ei ffenni hun.
On your own?
Yeah, on her own. A hefyd, mae hi'n canu gyda band o'r enw Cymraeg. More about that band afterwards. So we can ask her about her learning Welsh and we can ask her about her singing career. Okay? So, sgrin 1. Okay. Rwy ti wedi. Rwy ti wedi. Now then, rwy ti wedi, again, it's the past. Rwy ti wedi. You have done something or other, you see? You have.
Yeah.
Rwy ti wedi canu. Rwy ti wedi dysgu Cymraeg. But now then, that's you have learnt Welsh. If we want to go right back to the past, wnes ti ddysgu Cymraeg. So they're both the past, but slightly different. For example, if I give you a question, wyt ti wedi gweld y film? Have you seen the film? Well, again, you probably have an idea about what film I'm talking about. Wyt ti wedi gweld y film? Ydw. Wnes ti, did you see the film? And a different yes and no, do. Anything from the proper past is a do. Okay. Screen 2. Wyt ti'n dalu? Now, we've had this before.
Yeah.
Wyt ti'n dalu? It can be a question or a statement again. Wyt ti'n dalu ganu? You are...
Still.
Still, that's the
singing.
one.
Yeah,
wyt ti'n dalu ganu? Yes, wyt ti'n dal. Or rwy ti'n dalu ganu for the statement.
Rwy ti'n dalu ganu.
Question, what happens to our R? Get rid of it.
Get rid of the R. Wyt ti'n dalu.
Exactly. And the voice?
Wyt ti'n dalu.
Wyt ti'n dalu ganu?
Wyt ti'n dalu ganu?
Yeah, da iawn. Wyt ti'n dalu ganu? Intonation, it's all about intonation. Wyt ti'n dalu fwynhau perfformio? Wyt ti'n dalu ysgrifennu, because she writes her own songs too.
Good girl.
Now te, screen 3, sut mai? Okay, I know it's like shwmai, but this is slightly different. Sut mai pethau wedi newid? How have things changed? Sut mae pethau wedi newid, okay? Sut mae pethau, how has something changed? Sut mai, you might want to ask her, sut mai dy gerddoriaeth? How was your music? Dy gerddoriaeth changed?
Sut mai dy cerddoriaeth?
Yes.
Wedi newid?
Good. So should we give it a go?
Let's do it. Okay.
Let's have a go, should we?
Let's have a little practice.
Should we bring
while
it
I
out?
practice, we'll take a little look at Heather in action. Gwyddiwch hwn.